Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is all about my favorites for the month of April. There's a few products that I've really been loving, from handbags to shoes to a little bit of makeup and of course fragrance. So if that's what you're interested in, then let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with makeup, and I think this is the least amount of things that I have, so we're just going to start off with that. The first item that I've really been loving this month is this brown toffee obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. So I really love this palette because it's got these really beautiful mustard colors in there. It also has a bunch of nudes and warm shades that I absolutely love. I actually have it on my eyes today. And ever since I got this palette in the mail, I haven't put it down. It's great if you want to create an everyday look, but there's a lot of shimmers in here as well if you want to create a nighttime glam look. To be quite honest though, I was a little apprehensive about this palette because it does look very similar to some of her other palettes that she already has out, but it works really good and I like it. So yeah, this is the Toffee Brown Obsessions palette. So I also have been loving these Fenty Gloss Cream Bombs. Ugh, I'm obsessed with them. I love the original ones, and I also love these two new shades that Fenty came out with. I purchased these during the Sephora spring event, and y'all, they're amazing. They're perfect for spring, and I like that they came in a little set. I actually have on one right now, which is called Bubble Binge, so I'll show you what both of these look like. So this first one is Bubble Binge, which is the one that I have on my lips. Let me swatch it for y'all so you can get an idea of the shade. So it's this really pretty hot pink color. And then this other one is Cupcakin', which is also really pretty. It's like a nude pinkish color. And I think this one is really great for an everyday look. So here's Cupcakin', which is also really, really pretty. So I'll be sure to link these down below if you're interested, but I'm a huge fan of Fenty glosses. They're my absolute favorite. The formula is good. The pigment is amazing. And I'm so glad that they added new shades to the collection. Can't wait to see what else they come out with the cream gloss bombs, but these ones are my jam and I've been loving them and have loved them in April. So up next, we got a little home care. Something about me that you may not know, I'm absolutely obsessed with candles. I have 1,000,001 candles and I just love them so much, but who doesn't like candles? Well, anyway, I found this candle at Walmart, which I was just so shocked, but this is called Calm and it's a coconut, citrus, and amber candle. Now it is a coconut wax blend, and I was a little bit nervous because to me coconut blends are a little different, but this actually burns really nicely and it smells so good. It smells clean and a little sweet as well. Definitely giving me the coconut tropical vacation vibes. The projection on this is really good too, which I absolutely love. It burns really nicely. And I was just really shocked that this came from Walmart. I think this was $10 and it is 15 ounces and the packaging is just so gorgeous. So yeah, y'all, don't sleep on Walmart because they are stepping their game up. Well, they've been doing pretty good over the years, but they're definitely stepping up their candle game. I'll definitely link this below as well if you are a candle person. All right, y'all. So I have really been into the square toe heel trend. I think it started last summer or spring. I know a lot of people like the Bottega shoes, and a ton of people have come out with dupes. Me personally, I prefer the dupes because I'm not about to spend all that money on Bottega shoes that may go out of style. But anyway, I really have been loving square toe heels. So the first pair that I want to share with you guys that I have absolutely been obsessed with are from Shein, and they look like this. this beautiful greenish citron color. I don't even really know what color this is, but they are just so gorgeous. I just love the way that they look. So this is how the heel looks up close. It's really pretty. And it has this ruching in the front, which is really gorgeous. So I don't know if you've ever ordered shoes from Shein, but I actually really like their shoes. However, they run a little bit small. So I ended up getting these in a size 10. I actually wear a size 9 and the 10 fit perfectly. But I really do love these shoes. They're so comfortable. They actually stretch right here. So it makes them very easy to wear. I can walk around with these all day and I have no issues with them. I also like the heel height because it's not super tall. I feel like the older I get, I cannot wear crazy high heels anymore. So the heel has to be like a moderate size for me to enjoy them. And I really do enjoy these shoes. And speaking of square toe heels, I am a huge fan of lace up heels. I think they're perfect for the spring and for the summer, especially with dresses or shorts and skirts. They're so cute, and they also elongate your legs, so they make your legs look a little bit longer, and I kind of have short legs, so I like that. But I have been loving these square-toed heels that are lace up from the brand Public Desire. And I actually purchased these at ASOS. But if you're familiar with the brand Public Desire, they create really cute shoes that are really similar to Bottega's. Most of them are Bottega dupes. And I just love these ones. I love the straps in the front. And I mean, honestly, I can't really say anything bad about these shoes. I just really like them a lot. I also really love this heel in the back as well. So here is a close-up of the heel. This is how it looks in the front. It also laces up so you can wear this around your ankle or you can just tie it. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of lace-up heels, and Public Desire has really great heels. They're really good quality and they're also really comfortable. These ones are true to size, so they're in a size 9, and again, they fit very comfortable. I really, really like them. I have a few other pairs of Public Desire shoes that I purchased last summer, and they're still holding up pretty well. So yeah, if you haven't tried out Public Desire before, definitely check them out. I'm not sure if they're available at any other shop aside from ASOS, but that's mainly where I purchased my Public Desire shoes, and they're good, y'all. All right, y'all, so we're gonna move on to handbags. I have 2 handbags that I have been obsessed with. I'll probably be obsessed with all spring, and I am going to share them with y'all. So the first one, I'm sure you've seen this all over the internet, all over TikTok and Instagram. The first one is the Coach Pillow Tabby bag. I absolutely love this bag. I love the fact that you can wear it so many different ways. It's got this pillow material. The color is my absolute favorite, and I am in love. So if you haven't seen my review on this bag, I'll definitely link it for you all to check out if you're interested. But this is definitely the it bag, and I think that Coach is making a comeback. So y'all should definitely check out this bag if you're interested. So the next bag I want to share with y'all, I'm so obsessed with this bag. This is the Telfar. Okay, I finally got my hands on a Telfeezy, and this one is in the shade Pool Blue. Y'all, the anxiety that I had when I was trying to get this bag, y'all already know. If you've heard about the It brand and the It bags, which are Telfar, y'all know that they are so hard to get. They only come out with a few of them at a time, and they sell out in seconds, okay? Seconds. But I really wanted to get my hands on this bag, and I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. I am just so proud of Telfar. I think they're doing their thing in this season, and I can't wait to see what else they come out with. But this bag is a dream, y'all. It's so tiny. It's so cute. But you can actually fit quite a few items in here. I was actually shocked. My phone fits in here, hand lotion. I can fit sanitizer in here, pretty nicely. I also love that you can carry this bag with the little small handles, or there's two handles here at the top, so you can carry it as a crossbody. But I am so obsessed with this bag, y'all. I gotta get my hands on a few more colors, but this is the first one that I own. I'm so late to the game, but I am so, so happy that I have it. So it wouldn't be me if I didn't talk about fragrances that I'm loving. So the first fragrance that I want to share with you all is from BDK, and this is Rouge Smoking. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this fragrance. It smells so good and sweet. If you're a gourmand lover, you'll definitely love this. It's got this blast of cherry and vanilla, and it is so, so delicious and very addicting. It just smells really, really good. Definitely check this one out if you are into gourmands, especially ones that smell like cherry. It's a vibe for sure. So next we have this fragrance from KKW Fragrance, and y'all, I love this so much. This is called Night Iris, and this is one of her most recent collaborations that she did with Jeff Latham. I actually did a review on all three of the new perfumes that she came out with, so if you're interested, I'll be sure to link that review as well. But if you're into unisex fragrances, I definitely recommend this one. It has iris, there's a little bit of jasmine in here, tobacco leaves, vanilla. It is amazing. I love this, and I'm just gonna spray it everywhere because it is such a good fragrance. Honestly, ever since I received it, I couldn't put it down because it smells yummy. If you love unisex, definitely check this one out. Okay, so this last and final fragrance that I want to share with you all is from Byredo, and this is Ball Freak. Y'all, I love this fragrance so much. I actually purchased this in April, and I already have used quite a bit. There's quite a bit of a dent in here, but this is such a sweet and fresh and very clean fragrance. I absolutely love this. There's a little bit of vetiver in here. There's a little bit of orange blossom. It smells divine. One of my favorite fragrances from Byredo, and it's perfect as a signature scent and for every day. I absolutely love it. It smells amazing. All right, y'all, so that is everything. Those are all the products that I really enjoyed for the month of April. Be sure to comment down below and let me know what some of your favorites were for the past month, which was April. Also, be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It really helps me out to kind of determine what you all like and what you dislike. So be sure to give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on social media. You can check me out on Instagram and on Twitter, which is at Ikea Alexis. It'll be linked down below in the description box. So that's everything, y'all. I hope you have a good one. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe. Bye.